We want to solve this problem. 8 raised to power 4 means 8 is multiplied 4 times. 64 multiplied by 64. When we multiply 64 and 64, we get 4096. Unit place value. We want to see what digit we are getting at the units place. Here, in the case of 8 raised to power 4, the value of digit at the unit place is 6. Now, we want to find out the value of 71248 raised to power 47113. What value of the digit at the units place we will get when we solve this problem? Means when 71,248 is multiplied 47,113 times, what will be the digit at the units place? These questions are frequently there in the competitive exams and in the classroom exams. So let us see how we can make the calculation of these problems easy and faster. Now we want to solve these problems. In this case, we need not do any calculation. The value of the digit at the unit place will be the last digit of this number. Means here 6 will be the last digit of this expression. When we want to solve this, we only need to find out the value of 2 raised to power 77. 2 raised to power 76 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. This portion is going to give us 6 as the last digit. When it is multiplied by 2, we get 12. So 2 will be the digit at the unit place when we solve this expression. In this case, we need not do many calculations. We are only to see whether the exponential power is even number or odd number. When it is odd number, we are going to get 9 as the answer, and when this expression is an even number, then we are going to get 1 as the answer. In this case, the exponential is an odd number, so our answer of this expression is 9 when we find out the unit place value of this problem. So you have seen that we have made the calculations easier and faster. To understand this process, we need to go through some theory part. So let us do some theory first.